Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. Today I have something really cool to show to you guys because summers are here, and if you have watched our previous videos that Tanya did, she introduced something called a cooling blanket, and trust me, it's from the brand Elegear and it is super cool. Our parents were here, they loved it, some of our family bought it, so now they got something else came out and I decided to give it a try. So this is what it is. It's an Elegear t-shirt for men, and this is 90% nylon, which is cooling, and 10% spandex, and it also has a Q index of more than 0.5, which is a Japanese technology to how it regulates heat inside your body. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna give you guys an honest opinion of how it feels on the body. So I'm gonna wear it and just try and see how the cloth feels. So this is the t-shirt I got. They have white and black color. I got the one in white. First impression, it's really soft, as you can see, and it's really cold. So let's try it on. Well, this is how it looks. It's a snuggle fit. It's really thin. You can actually wear it as an inner t-shirt and put something on it, or you can just wear it by itself for working out or going on a run. So I really liked it. The clothing feels cool on the body, and I told you everything about it. As far as the link and the coupon code is concerned, everything you can find in the description box. If you need any other info, feel free to comment on this video and we'll be more than happy to reply back. But I would definitely 100% recommend you guys to try this on because it is really good. We are going to see you in our next video, so stay tuned for that, and until then, bye.